What's happening to me? It's your boy Big. Welcome back to my Black Universe. Boom. It's go time. Got a new one from Raycon. These are the E25 True Wireless Earbuds. These are replacing the E50s, which I saw them and I didn't get them. And the reason why I didn't get them because I saw Flossie Carter's review on those, and he was stating that they weren't comfortable. And for me, that's one of the biggest things about wireless earbuds. If you're going to have something in your ear, you want it to be comfortable. And if they weren't going to be comfortable, there's no point in me getting them. But now they have a new design right here. You see I got them in red. They also come in rose, blue, black, white. I think one more color. I can't think off top, but hey, it's all good. Let's get these joints open real quick. See, they got the magnetic clasp going. These open similar to the S50 wireless speakers. Unleash the next wave. Nice little, okay. Stepping up the presentation. You got next wave, you got a troll sticker. Instruction booklet. And you got nice. You got this is the charging station / dock for the earbuds. Let's open it up. So okay, it's magnetic. So this looks metallic. It has a metallic look, but it feels like it has a soft rubber feel to it. It's real smooth. So pop them open. Hold on real quick. I thought. So as soon as you open these up, I thought I was hearing something. They go into pair mode. One side is going to pair mode. That's on the right side. So it's going into pair mode. I heard it say Raycon. I thought I was tripping at first. I wanted to make sure I wasn't tripping at all. But all right, so we'll close that back up for now. Get your various ear tip sizes, similar to when I did the E300s. This is a metal holder, and you have a micro USB charging cable, of course, and that's all that's in the box. Experience the next wave. Got that put in the back. Battery life, listen up to 6 hours, 24 hours with charging case, 24 hours of battery life with on-the-go charging case. You can take phone calls, built-in microphone for on-the-go phone. Easy to pair. Next wave, Raycon empowers go-getters around the world by creating the next wave in true wireless audio technology. Your journey to the top starts here. So I'll throw a link in the description for these. These are $79.99 on the website. So they sit right in the same price point that the E50s were at. So if anything I learned from last time, I think it was a large. You see they got the sizes extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. We'll see how these fit real quick without that. Now I'm going to change these. These are smaller than the mud, man. So let's pair this up real quick. Using the ZTE Blade Raycon E25 earbuds. It says connected. So okay, real quick. So it looks like they may have solved the pairing technology issue. This is definitely so one side is connecting. As you saw, this was flashing red and blue. And once I heard this say connected, I could hear it even though it was on the table. This said connected while I was in my ear. So looks like they might have finally solved that issue. Let's see how they sound. So I'm going to pull up the new Wale. Get that on deck. Max volume. See what the Dolby already pressed. Let me change the ear tips. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we changed the tips. I had a little bit of bass bleeding, and I was just trying to make sure I gave these the fairest review I can give them. Initial review, at least. Some of y'all root for everybody that's black. Hey, hey, hey. There we go. The large, perfect size. Hey. Everybody that's black. Play some Crit here real quick. And I went to that concert when he came to Texas, you know what I'm saying? Nerd. Hey, hey. That was this. This is me. This is Key. You ain't know. Here I go. Quit here. Sound like this, my mind, yeah. Type of car we don't sit. Backseat driver for real. Yeah, who would have thought we would have hit like this? Like that sound pretty good. Let's play some with some bass in it. That E40 chase the money. Let's play that. Alright, one more bass song. I know something that got some dope in it. You know, I'm a big Crit fan, so Southernstein. Look all the tweeted that's the same for police. Never turn it down, cause a riot in the streets. Alright, so let me holler at y'all real quick. So we're gonna these are almost perfectly balanced. And I say almost because I would like a little bit more movement from the bass. I like a little bit more air movement from the bass, but I understand these aren't for that. These are the entry level earbuds from Raycon now. To me, they sound better than the E300s. I honestly like the way these sound better than the E300s. I feel like the E300s compared to these are very muffled. This is like a really balanced sound. Like there's bass there, but it's not. I like a little bit more bass than I do mids and highs. You know, this is like almost a flat curve, which is oxymoron if you think about it. It's almost a flat frequency across the board. Everything comes in equally clean, and for the most part fairly crisp for entry level earbuds. So I recommend these if you're not trying to spend a lot of money. And so with that, if you're not trying to spend a lot of money, this is what you need to go with. So let's see what happens. We're gonna play the music. We got play and pause, of course. You know, real quick. We got play and pause on both sides. But we know we paired to these. So let's see what happens when we're listening to it. I'll put this one in. It's in. It's close. Hey! Hold on, let's not get too happy. Okay, it's in. Yeah, and it's charging. It was charging, now it's on. Alright, so we're going to take it out. It just kind of... So the music missed a step for like a millisecond. So it just reconnected, I can tell. So we're going to put the right back in. You see it pause. We're going to play the music again. See what happens when we put the left one in. Whatever. It works. They fixed it. So if y'all saw my video, you saw Floss's video with the E100s. If you want to do single earbud listening, you had to pair them both separately but you have to take out one of, you have to take out the right one so it can automatically connect to the left one. If the right one die, if you want to just listen to your left ear, you have to put the right one back up and then pull out the left one. And it's just a whole bunch of extra. They have fixed that. You saw that live. It wasn't live, but you saw it on this video. They fixed the issues with the E25. So hopefully, going forward, it should be going forward. Every new generation of Raycons will have this similar technology, because these are the entry levels. That's what's up. Shout out to Ray J. Shout out to his team. Shout out to Raycon for fixing that nuisance. Now you can listen to left and right earbuds with one connection, one pair, and it was to the right side. So now it understands that. You can close that and just did it from the ear. Oh man, I just put the thing back in my ear and it seems like it's thumping harder than it was before. Hold on, make sure I wasn't tripping. Okay, all right, I'm tripping. Now these feel like they hitting a little more on the low end. Did these speakers need a break-in period? What's going on? Maybe I'm tripping, but at first it was a real clean sound, and at first I contributed to having the wrong ear tips in. I had these joints right here in. Where they at? I had these joints right here in. These are the standard ones that come in. So I was like, okay, maybe the air's getting by. Then I switched to the extra large. It was too big. And I switched down to the large, and I was like, okay, maybe it's just the sound quality. So I don't know. I don't know, man. But they thumping now. Let's do that. All right, let's go back to the GOAT. To 40 water. In fact, now let's play that Gone, Master P. I got the hookup too. No keys. Fuck it up. Okay. I wasn't tripping, so okay. Certain frequencies will give you that deep bass feel as you listen to it. Because this is a heavy bass song too. But I know it's in a higher frequency range. So that's what it was. I wasn't tripping. So the lower bass frequencies come out more pronounced than the higher bass frequencies. So yeah, man. These are dope. These are dope, man. I'm gonna use these more than I'm gonna use the E300s now. I don't like the way the case open. I'm not gonna lie. Then I'm open and conflicted. Yeah, I don't like the way the case open. But you see, you got the little LED indicator right there. That's a little charging area. I got these joints in red. I'll put the link in the description so you can check out all the other colorways that they have these in. But yeah, man, these are winning. The sound quality in these are way better than the E300s, in my personal opinion. So with that being said, man, hey, go grab your set of these. They fixed the issue with the Bluetooth. Now you got to pair both sides. You can just pair one side. It'll work either side in connection, and you can listen to music. Until next time, peace and blessings. Ashe.